ready. Yeah, ready. Just that the venue has changed from Accra Sports Stadium to Legon. And not just ready. The good news is that the clubs have accepted the change and they will play at Legon Stadium.
What has resulted in the frequent change of venues? Because it was slated for Kumasi, it didn't happen. Yes. Accra, yes. It didn't happen, and now Legon.
Yes. You see, the facility, National Sports Authority, yeah, and you need to know also. You can say about Kumasi for very good reasons, for proximity, for convenience to the play of the 4 clubs near there. And you say, Kotoko goes to Asabo, Africa. We agreed and then came to Accra. They wrote to us. And yeah, as someone, and come to me, the letter, you have some said, you know, readily, and come to the bed show. And when they wrote to us, the sponsor authority signed by the general himself. I say, yeah, two more, Master, yeah, more Accra. I had Bob, Tim Shaman, yeah, Yahoo, Yabo Piston Square, Yabo Pananoa, affiliate, and then from the blue, yesterday, you told us, you do more. What will you do? We don't accept it. We don't agree with it, but we accept it. Go do more. No, only a colleague. A colleague. You're more hot. To frequent change in the sports authority, they own the facility, and then, but why you should take them so late, to move us? It's another question.
Yeah, but when exactly did the NSA communicate the unavailability of the Accra facility? Yesterday,
yes. But when the match is on Wednesday.
Now we show. Now say question that bobo. But enya so be no the mamo.
Almost see your match me close to Black Star game no. And you see a ball Wednesday no kwesi ni baby. That will be 24th. There's like 2 weeks. Now Black Star ball only cap bay inspection. Inspection now. Yet remember after the inspection. No, but these things and you think you in advance. Why should take them so long to tell us? No, I don't know. But that's the reason, because of the Black Stars game.
Majo, Ubaka said the lateness in communication has taken some shine away from the competition.
Well, shine no, but income yes. Shine, they say it borders on the quality of play, and I believe that the 4 teams are going to give up their best, so they shine low. But income yes. I say Accra Sports Stadium, central, a year accessible to the local communities. No, Osu, Obikura, Onfaka, Wanantiaba, Labadi Kubitiaba, Labraka, Kanation. A year. By a movie and call Legon, I feel Robert Chieska, a Diatrakamu, Abba, Legon, San was some Chieska, the room. When you scope it, and the match will be live on TV. And John Hannah will be over TV. And income now, they are 13, but it's not the shine. The shine there, I tell you, the teams will play.
But who GDS said, tough for a chita form, don't teams are would on Ombedia said they can move anymore.
And I'm making. So we do all my repeat on me say. They go on the Encono. So now, can say shine, we say they are grown a felony at the end of some day, air affected. Teams no the Hearts are determined, some Marco to control view. They just lost to them in the present cup. They will not allow Kotoko to beat them. Kotoko have sworn to stamp the authority in Hearts and not the whole. He has actually Hearts of Lions in the Home World Cup. Hearts of Lions, some more Panama Hearts and show on view. So the competition will be very keen. I know that. But whether I say a chita for a bit me a Tiesika Balegon, and now I am me a Yikaka. That one I cannot say, me say, fine, but who find you now? I Latin say, Cantelis Paribus, all things being equal. And he say, idea on Baba, fine. Oh my, there's nothing we can do.
That's right. But Ubaka say, Quine Bisono, NSA na Mamusesi form.
You take one as from yes. You take now who ball whether why only mean let's say what Wakoma police. Oh yeah, Accra Sports Stadium, National City. So say if you can make sure society, they are reversing. They are direct on to the Legon. Because I feel my want to but from I'm going to write to them say I feel a Legon near the same yama. Because it was a pitch pan square ball Accra Sports Stadium. We are going to move them to Legon. They are any incentive from. All of us incentive from is not being truthful. The incentive from high. Just that we don't have anything to do than to play. Mind you, say I'm mono, Sabria. Let me mono after the Blasters game because the Blasters game is on the 8th and the league is kicking off on the 12th or so. We have time more. So we'll just manage and play.
Yeah, Mpacho, what it is say? I thought I'm for raising concerns about the quality of the playing surface at the Legon Stadium.
Yeah. Then they will put it in shape before tomorrow.
You bet mama na ba shape and then kosi chine yayi.
I bet me ba say and yes Legon Stadium no grass ni so. And yes nyashi ebia activity nti they are a little
don't tell me busan over on say almost pre-season period. I feel a be a PQ pre-season now quality of pitches are very crucial to almost fitness levels ahead of the new season. It's not me busan. Coach is very concerned.
That cannot be discounted. Now can you say we are putting the field in shape. So putting the vision you could be a grass. But yes and you require undulating kakra. When the roller first wa yama fine I'm a match. And then pitching the problem it will not cause any injuries. Teams no. You better say and sound or because the job there and too much. And too much. If it's the playing surface, we'll make sure the playing surface is fine and sound or
Pacho, Mimuso changes biaba regarding fixture time and afempo say bia.
There be. Everything remain the same. Everything.
Even with the rates that will be charged at the gates.
The rates, 20 cities popular stand. Say 150 VVIP and then 100 cities VIP. The same.
So two games a day for 20 city popular stand.
Exactly. 2 games a day for 20 cities. And Go Stars Kotoko first game tomorrow. Heart of Lions, Heart of Oak second game tomorrow. And so on and so forth.
Where the Monkafra Semutiesi form na yeah, that's it. So Oduro Nyarko, Nyame adu match na so you GD say you kick off well and then we'll have a successful competition.
The attraction with the amount for numbers on Mumra no measure because the attraction is still there, the quality will still be good, and everything, the excitement, everything. Doma will sell a good game to them, or good games to them.
God bless you for your time.
Protocol House rivalry is rife. House of Lions, House of Oak, no second defeat, and match is the best. We'll sell good games to them.
Pacho Radisha Oduro Nyarko.
Right.
Yera Samuel Oduro Nyarko, or administrative manager for the Ghana League Clubs Association, women organizers of the GHALCA Top 4, a competition that precedes the start of the Ghana Premier League. Nanedu.
Nada kwa.
Odesheba.
Me happy you. Me ni the kuntia people are worried, but me happy because me from day one. Na me mpese top 4 me baso Accra Sports Stadium. Bibi ameti until say change beba. That is the only approved stadium for category A game in Ghana. As it stands now, I Sunday until say CAF inspection team beba. No, I can see biamaje other venue will be here to Ghana. As it stands now, that is the only approved stadium in this country for category A game in Africa.
But why did they agree to let them come and play the way you knew is your only approved stadium?
Who say there was a reason why Omo decided say Omo dey go Kumasi. Now Kumasi at that time no inspection no, not stadium no, especially the pitch. there were issues. No money. NSF for the dim come no money I can't supposed to do no. But yen you share the House of Four game against Pado Heart of Lions. You will say NSF no challenges. Ebi money anko. Nana baby na obi van this no. Unse lights ba ku bi si ase ho. Na ase ni nya start when Canada. Maybe appropriate move from home. I'm sure they will work on it before the inspection team come. Wow, we share game ni bibia the first half na scoreboard ni do me. Am abi you. Oh yes.
Commentator. Yeah.
Yeah, after first half number.
Oh sir.
Am abi you.
Man show.
Ebi anti America say ebi ankofo ani ankoho. So a wake up call at the NSA in collaboration with the sports ministry and the FA to fix it for the Blasters game. And they're the most important game from now to the end of September. What does here? International one. Into what all these things etuja na uhua. Enya appropriate say. Obe use the stadium for other game be. And send an inspection team naba.